That was an incredible feeling. That was the most amazing thing I've ever done. Come on, put your hand up if you want one.
Sam is a budding entrepreneur whose goal is to build an Amazon business that makes as much money as what his teachers are making teaching him.
So my idea of a water bottle is to make an even better one. Highly insulated, 1 litre, because a 700ml, which is the normal size of a water bottle, doesn't last the whole school day or work day.
My goal is to sell 3 sets of each item every day. I'm trying to raise $15,000 to get this thing started, and I can only take 20 investors.
I'll be surprised if he's not bowled over in a rush for subscriptions.
Absolutely 100% like on trend right now to make an amazing business.
And I managed to raise $920,000. I could finally complete my dream. And so I went with Dad to see the bank manager, and then I'm like, wait, oh my God, I'm actually here starting my first company. And that's when it really finally hit me that this was my own company that I had started and I'm gonna run. We ended up getting a lot of samples. That was pretty amazing because we gave them our company name and everything, and it arrived to our door with my name on it and my company name. I was lucky enough to be able to go to Bali with the John Fawcett Foundation. I truly believe in helping people, and I've always been a generous person. So having a real chance to do something for others is such a cool opportunity. Ni hao, it's Sam here, in China at the Yiwu markets. We just looked at all our products being made in the factory. 10 days ago, we went live on Amazon and made it into the 2% club. We hit $500 on just day 3, and since then have done 3 $500 days. I want to say a massive thank you to you all for being part of this story.
If you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get all of our great videos as they come out. Thanks for watching, guys.